In this lesson, we will see how to convert sentences with two objects to passive voice. We have already seen what is an object. An object is a receiver of an action. There are two types of objects, direct object and indirect object. A direct object is a noun, pronoun or noun phrase receives the action of a verb. A direct object answers the question what, who, whom. A sentence that has a direct object may or may not have an indirect object. Indirect object is also a noun or pronoun or noun phrase to whom or for whom the action is done. Indirect object answers the question at whom, for whom, to whom or from whom. Remember, there can be no indirect object without a direct object. When there are two objects in an active sentence, there are two possible passive sentences. Two possible structures of active voice are subject, verb, indirect object, direct object. Take a look at the structure 2. Subject, verb, direct object, preposition, indirect object. Now let's convert these sentences to passive voice. They gave Susan a prize. Step 1 is to identify SVO. Here they subject, gave verb. It is in past tense. Let's find out object. They gave what? And the answer you get is a prize. A prize is a direct object. Again, ask question, to whom did they give a prize? Answer is Susan. Susan is indirect object. Step 2 is to change the places of subject and object. First, we make passive sentence with the direct object. So, direct object here is a prize. So, a prize is written on the subject's place. You can write by them at the end. Step 3 is to add suitable helping verb. Prize is singular noun, so was is added. Step 4 is to convert MV to V3. Third form of give is given, so given is written. Then rest of the words are written. 2 is added before Susan because it's an indirect object. Here is the complete sentence. A prize was given to Susan. In the brackets, if you want to write, you can write by them. Let's see passive sentence with indirect object. Susan has come to subject's place and we have written a prize on object's place. Rest of the steps are same. Look at the sentence with indirect object. Susan was given a prize. That's all in this video. Thank you.